We're going to play Minuet number 3 from Suzuki Book 2, number 4 by Bach. This metronome is at 106 if you'd like to practice it. We'll go a little slower actually. We'll take it down to 100. Open G, fourth finger G to get the hand in tune. 1, 2, 3, here we go. To lift. To lift. To lift. Get ready for second position. 2, 1, 2, A string. Second position. 2, 2, lift. 4. Two, 1, 2, A string, extend. Up, down, lift. 4. Shift. All right, some things to talk about in this piece. This 4/4 jump is definitely a thing to master, definitely a thing to get some ability to be able to do this over and over, and it becomes natural. Measure 17 is also a challenge. Our last note before 17 is this C on the fourth finger, or second finger, second position. We put our fourth finger right on the A string. Keep that second finger there for just a second while you rotate the arm to play an E. Play that C again. Keep that second finger there and play an E fourth finger. Now my first finger is not connected to this at all. It needs to be straight and as low as possible. If you could play that could demonstrate that you can master it. Second finger stays on the G string. Fourth finger naturally plays an E. First finger is as low as possible. The thumb is not being used here at all, and a first finger C. This is by far the hardest part of this piece. And then shift back to first position. And then all the up-ups, that articulation is the third component that makes this piece as beautiful as it is. There's probably more, but those are 3 big things to focus on when you practice. Okay, back up and repeat this piece again and practice these sections.